Imagine earning your master's degree in Europe through a fully funded scholarship that covers everything, from tuition fees and living expenses to travel costs and health insurance. Yes, you heard that right. Today, we're diving into the Erasmus Mundus QUARMEN Scholarship 2025-27. This prestigious program is designed for brilliant minds like yours who aspire to study at top European universities without the burden of financial constraints. In the next minutes, we're going to explore everything you need to know about this incredible scholarship. I'll explain what the QUARMEN program is all about, outline the amazing benefits it offers, break down the eligibility requirements, guide you step by step through the application process, share key deadlines, and of course, provide the official application link so you can apply right away. So, if you're ready to embark on an academic adventure and join a global network of future leaders, grab your notebook and let's dive in. Hello, global dreamers. Welcome back to Dreams Abroad Media, your ultimate guide to transformative study abroad and career opportunities across the world. Today, I am beyond excited to share a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity that can redefine your academic journey. Before we jump into the details, I want to speak directly to each of you watching this video. I know that pursuing higher education abroad can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially when financial hurdles stand in your way. But remember, your dreams are not only valid, they are achievable. Opportunities like the Erasmus Mundus QUARMEN Scholarship are designed to break down those barriers and give you a fair chance to shine on the global stage. This scholarship isn't just about covering expenses, it's about opening doors to a world-class education, building lifelong connections, and empowering you to make a positive impact in your field. If you're passionate, determined, and ready to take that leap, then this is your moment. Let's transform your dreams into reality together. What the Erasmus Mundus QUARMEN Scholarship 2025-27 is all about. The QUARMEN program is one of the prestigious Erasmus Mundus joint master degrees funded by the European Union. Although details about the exact program title QUARMEN may vary slightly, it is designed to offer advanced training and international exposure in areas such as quantitative analysis, risk management, or other interdisciplinary fields, tailored to meet the challenges of today's global job market. Here's what makes this scholarship extraordinary. Fully funded education. The scholarship covers 100% of your tuition fees for the entire duration of the program, allowing you to focus solely on your studies. Comprehensive financial support. You'll receive a generous monthly stipend to cover living expenses, plus allowances for international airfare, accommodation, and medical insurance. This means you can pursue your master's degree without financial worries. Multiple study destinations. One of the most exciting aspects of Erasmus Mundus programs is the opportunity to study at 2 or more top European universities. This gives you a rich, multicultural learning experience and a prestigious joint or multiple degree upon graduation. Career and networking opportunities. Graduating from an Erasmus Mundus program puts you in an elite network of professionals and scholars worldwide, vastly enhancing your career prospects on a global scale. Imagine the endless opportunities, studying in dynamic European cities, engaging with top-notch professors, and participating in cutting-edge research, all while being fully supported financially. Who can apply for the Erasmus Mundus QUARMEN Scholarship 2025-27? This program is open to talented students from around the globe who meet the following criteria. 1. Academic background. You must hold a bachelor's degree or equivalent in a relevant field such as engineering, quantitative analysis, risk management, or a closely related discipline. A strong academic record is essential. Typically, a minimum GPA is specified by the program. Check the official guidelines for details. 2. Language proficiency. Since the program is taught in English, you need to demonstrate proficiency through IELTS, TOEFL, or another recognized test score. Some programs might also require a basic knowledge of a second language, depending on the study destinations. 3. Research and professional experience. While not always mandatory, having some research or professional experience in your field can significantly strengthen your application. 4. Motivation and international outlook. A compelling motivation letter is crucial. You need to articulate why you want to join this program, how it aligns with your career goals, and what unique contributions you can make. 5. Citizenship. The scholarship is open to students from all over the world, with no restrictions on nationality. The application process step by step, so you know exactly what to do. Step 1. Research the program and partner universities. Begin by visiting the official Erasmus Mundus QUARMEN website to explore the program structure, participating universities, and degree options. Familiarize yourself with the program's focus, curriculum, and career opportunities. Step 2. Prepare your application documents. Academic transcripts and degree certificates. Ensure these are certified and, if necessary, translated into English. Curriculum Vitae. CV. Update your CV to highlight your academic achievements, work experience, and any research or projects. Motivation letter. Write a compelling essay that explains your passion, your career goals, and why you are a perfect fit for this program. Letters of recommendation. Secure at least 2 strong recommendations from professors or employers who know your work well. Language proficiency. Step 3. Submit your application online. Log into the official Erasmus Mundus application portal. Fill in all the required details carefully and upload your documents. Double-check your application for any errors or missing information. Step 4. Await the selection process. The selection committee will review applications based on academic merit, research potential, and your motivation. Shortlisted candidates might be invited for an interview, so be prepared. Step 5. Final notification. Successful applicants will be notified by the committee, and you will then receive further instructions on the enrollment process and funding disbursement. My dear Dreams Abroad Media family, this is more than just a scholarship opportunity. It's a life-changing chance to expand your horizons, gain international expertise, and make a real impact in your field. The Erasmus Mundus QUARMEN Scholarship 2025-27 is a pathway to an elite education that will empower you to pursue your dreams and contribute to global progress. Imagine studying in some of the most prestigious universities across Europe, working alongside renowned experts, and building a network that spans the globe, all while having your educational expenses fully covered. With full funding that includes tuition, a generous stipend, travel, room, and medical insurance, you can focus entirely on your academic and personal growth. This is your moment to shine. If you're ready to take the leap, now is the time to apply and turn your dreams into reality. I encourage you to check out the application link below, gather your documents, and submit your application with confidence. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Dreams Abroad Media for more updates on fully funded scholarships and global opportunities. Drop any questions or thoughts in the comments. I love hearing from you and am here to help. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, your future is bright, and with determination and the right opportunities, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Until next time, stay inspired, stay driven, and keep chasing your dreams. Good luck and see you in the next video.